It's yours. It is. Okay. Can I get it out of the bag for you? Here, hang on. All right, you're so helpful with it. Come on. Hey, come on. Here we go, Rivet. Oh, it's tied. Okay. Here, let's untie it. Oh, there, you got the right idea. It's a tunnel. Untie it. Oh, look at it. Look at that. Look at that, Rivet. Oh, what is it? What is it? Here, let's untie this side. Oh, that's good stuff, huh? Oh, yeah, see? You can go through it the other way, too. Yeah, come on. Go through there. Here. Go on. Good girl. Good girl, Rivet. You've got a new tunnel. Come on. Go through it. Hey, Rivet. Go on. Here, I'll hold it. Go on. Hey, go in there. Good girl. Where are you going? Go in there. Go on. Come on. Go in there. Wanna put the ball in there? Come on, bring it over here. Hey. He's going in there. Oh, we like our tunnel. Hey, Rivet.